Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please do the right thing and subscribe, okay? Don't be an enemy of progress, okay? And if you are coming back, thank you so much for watching. And so today I created this gold cut crease type of vibe. And if you'd like to see how I achieved it, please keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed filming it for you guys, like I really did. So let me know. So I'm gonna use this to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette, guys. It's the Color Studio Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. It is one of the best, guys. The pigment in this palette is amazing, and I bought this palette from AliExpress. Guys, don't sleep on AliExpress. They have like the best palettes in the world, and they are very affordable. So I'm gonna go with this brown there and put it all over my crease. And to cut my crease, I'm gonna use this concealer, LA Girl concealer, in the shade Creamy Beige. So I'm gonna put it here in the back of my hand, and then I use a flat angled brush to cut my crease. I'm gonna be using this gold. Can you say it's my favorite? Yeah, pale. So I'm just gonna pack it here. And then on my outer corners, I went in with that brown that I used on my crease, just to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my liquid eyeliner and line my eyes before I stick on my lashes. Right, to move on to let's move on to my face, and I'm gonna be using this Pampers Baby Wipe to clean up my face before I can. And then to prime my face, I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London Insta Fix and Go. It's a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray, so it acts as a primer and as a setting spray. So yeah, And then for my foundation, I used the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 440. And I use my beauty blender from Signature to blend out the foundation, just like that. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using LA Girl in the shade Cool Tan and Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna start with Cool Tan. And I used my City Girl foundation from Edgar's to contour my face. So to set my contour, I'm gonna use this Natural Beauty contour and highlighter from Signature. So I'm gonna be using this too, and just set where I put my liquid contour on, like that. Boom, boom, boom. And my nose. And for highlights, I'm gonna start with this bronzer. It's a bronzer from Signature. I love it so much. Like, it's one of my faves. Ooh. And I just mix all the colors and then I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter to highlight my face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna smoke my waterline, this pot, with this same brown that I used on my crease. So I'm just gonna put that there like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my black eyeliner there. And then for my lips, I don't know what to use. Let's try out this nude. This nude. And guys, so this is the final look. And I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed filming it for you guys. So please comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the tutorial, or if you have any questions. I'm in my purse. I'm in my purse. Oh, I love it so much. This light.